All right, what a rainy day.
Mommy's gonna get you a jacket and probably, I guess, bring her.
Typical Oregon February, full of rain. We are gonna go try to go fishing. Got a day off of work. Got a pop-up tent loaded up. Some fishing poles, our trout gear. God, it's wet. Sissy, stay out of the mud puddle. Let's get this truck warmed up and go to the lake. And see if we can catch some fish. Oh, I told you to stay out. Here, let me get you in your seat. I'm sure if you're a family person, you know the struggle. Getting the kiddos loaded up. Huh, baby? Let's do this. We're gonna have fun. I hope. What's wrong with your hat? Oh, you're just hiding? All right, let's get you buckled and then we'll get this truck nice and warm. All right, let's get out of here. We noticed we were spending the whole morning on TV because it's rainy. And it's like, man, we spend so much of our time on screens anymore. We're just trying to do a little better. But anyway, here I am recording it. Anyway, coffee with some sugar-free creamer, waiting on the wife and the boy. Ow, hit my head. Oh my God, a midget was in here. Excuse my language, I didn't mean that. My wife. Didn't mean any offense. I love my Toyota truck, 2021 Tacoma. Other than it's a little cramped in here with the full family, it's the best truck. Oh, what's wrong now? Come on, let's get another one loaded up. Get your shirt to where it's not getting wet. Okay. Good. Let's keep it that way. She didn't.
Yeah, but I
got
did.
Your eggs. You ready to roll, hot chica?
Yeah.
It is a rainy day in Southern Oregon. All right, well, we're getting to the lake. As you can see, it is dumping rain. So I'm gonna try to set up a pop-up tent for the family. One of these is broken and I need to figure out which one. I guess I'll just see. I think this one's the good one. We're gonna roll with that. All right, see if this easy up is all it's cracked up to be. Looks like there's some dirtiness on it. Used this at our wedding last year. From what I remember though, thing's fairly dope. Oh yeah, baby. What? Not bad. There's a way to lock it in. I don't remember how. Oh, there. That's right. That is right, my friends. Wow, that does go up easy. Highly recommend the easy ups because I've had some of these that suck. Worth the little extra money. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, let's go get the fishing gear and see if we can catch any. Look both ways, right? Hi. Get to the dry weather. Riv, that seat's for Mom, Riv. Or I guess she'll take this one, I guess. Welcome to the welcome to the island. Yeah. All right, trying to be more organized. I'm really liking this trout box. Got bait and trout stuff. All we need. Got it labeled. Even fancy. Some sherbet floating power bait. Free sliding weight, swivel, tiny little size 20 treble. Little glob on there. Give it the old flingle-dingle. It's a little murky today. Hopefully that doesn't mess us up. Huh, River? Yeah. Kind of snug that line up. Just let it set with some tension. Wait for the bite. That ought to do it. This is my little family. Eating some shrimp and trying to get away from the rain. No bites yet. It's only been a few minutes. We caved and bought beers after, what, a month?
I think so.
1 month of sobriety and then a case of beers to reward myself.
And then we'll take another break.
Yeah, it didn't really do much for me. I mean, it's only 10 a.m. and I'm drinking. They're good. I'm not gonna lie. There's a reason people drink, but generally not worth it. Today it helps. No fishies. The juice might not be worth the squeeze today. You got bait, but you're in the weeds. I got no bait, and I'm in the weeds. That's the spot right there. That's the way they like it, right there, right there.
Got it. Huh? Nice one.
Yeah. Don't go in the water. You gotta get lined up right. There's your spot. Oh! So absolutely no fish. It's dumping rain. A couple weekends ago we actually slayed them. Caught like 10. I think we might not be here much longer. Been here for like 30, 45 minutes. Let's see it, Riv. Get some hang time. Here, sis, I'm gonna help. Let go. Oh, where'd it go? There it goes. What happened today, River, fishing?
Nothing, we're skunked.
It's totally skunked. Getting dumped on rain. We're calling it a day. We're not doing this no more. Hey, Riv.
What?
I'm gonna need your help. I got.
Here, I'll hold it one. I'll hold